Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today we're looking at classic motorcycles for sale across America, from rare British twins to vintage Japanese two-strokes that still deserve a spot in a real garage. Number 1. 1975 Norton Commando, $8,500, New Jersey. This 1975 Norton Commando represents one of Britain's most iconic performance motorcycles of the era, known for its distinctive styling and unmistakable parallel twin character. According to the seller, this bike runs strong and has seen over $4,000 in documented work during the past 2 years, completed by Cyclecrafts. Notable updates include Colorado Norton Works headlight ears and a properly set up Amal carburetor, replacing the earlier Mikuni setup. While the electric start will need attention, the bike is still ridden occasionally and presents as a well-sorted rider rather than a neglected project. With receipts included and the price firm, this Commando is positioned for someone who wants a classic British machine they can actually use. Number 2. 1978 Honda Goldwing GL1000, $2,800, Ohio. The 1978 Honda Goldwing GL1000 is widely regarded as one of the most durable touring motorcycles ever built, and this example remains largely original and well cared for. It runs and rides as expected, with lowered handlebars currently installed, though the original bars are included with the sale. Recent maintenance includes timing belts and a water pump replacement in 2022, ignition components updated in 2023, and a new battery in 2024. While it does have a minor valve cover oil leak and will eventually need tires due to age, this Goldwing has been stored in a climate-controlled garage and run exclusively on ethanol-free fuel. For the price, it offers strong value as a rideable vintage tourer. Number 3. 1949 Harley-Davidson Panhead, $12,500, Tennessee. This 1949 Harley-Davidson Panhead is a serious piece of American motorcycle history, offered with a Tennessee title and correct 1949 VIN. It is kickstart only and features Harley-Davidson cases paired with S&S cylinders and compression release heads. The bike sits in an aftermarket frame and includes a pan transmission with mixed-year cases, reflecting the reality of many early Panhead builds. It has been sitting for about a year and will need recommissioning before regular riding. With potential trade interest limited to specific vintage items, this Panhead is clearly aimed at collectors or builders who understand early Harley-Davidson machines and their place in the market. Number 4. 1976 Kawasaki H1, $5,500, North Carolina. Known famously as the Widowmaker, the 1976 Kawasaki H1 delivers raw two-stroke performance that defined an era of unapologetic speed. This example has approximately 500 miles on a rebuilt engine, making it particularly appealing to riders who want the experience without starting from a worn-out motor. Finished in black, the bike maintains the aggressive presence that made the H1 legendary. While these motorcycles demand respect and mechanical awareness, this one offers a rare chance to own a freshly rebuilt example of Kawasaki's most infamous street machine at a price that reflects both its reputation and its performance pedigree. Number 5. 1968 Triumph Bonneville 650, $5,000, Massachusetts. The 1968 Triumph Bonneville 650 is one of the most recognizable British motorcycles ever produced, and this example remains largely original with just over 14,000 miles. The seller describes it as running well and in very good overall condition, making it suitable for regular riding or light preservation. Its classic twin-cylinder layout, chrome accents, and timeless proportions continued to define what many riders picture when they think of a vintage British motorcycle. For enthusiasts seeking an authentic Bonneville experience without a full restoration project, this bike offers a balanced combination of originality, usability, and value. Number 6. 1985 Yamaha XJ700, $1,100, New York. This 1985 Yamaha XJ700 represents an affordable entry point into vintage Japanese motorcycles that still deliver reliable performance. The bike runs and rides as it should, with a freshly rebuilt carburetor, all fluids changed, and a complete maintenance and tune-up recently completed. Yamaha's air-cooled inline-4 platform is well known for durability and smooth power delivery, making this model particularly approachable for riders new to older bikes. At just over $1,000, it stands out as a practical classic that can be enjoyed immediately without major mechanical investment. Number 7. 1961 BMW R60, $7,500, Pennsylvania. This 1961 BMW R60 is a garage-kept, largely original example of BMW's early post-war engineering. With just over 30,000 miles showing before the odometer stopped, the bike has been off the road for about 2 years and will require minor sorting, including wiring work and front wheel balancing. It includes desirable features such as original saddlebags, new mufflers, and correct AVUS black paint touch-ups. Once aggressed, the seller notes that it delivers a smooth, quiet ride characteristic of classic BMW Boxers. This R60 is best suited for an enthusiast who appreciates understated engineering and long-term ownership. Number 8. 1970 Yamaha R5 350, $2,600, Washington, D.C. The Yamaha R5 350 is an increasingly rare two-stroke classic, bridging the gap between early Yamaha twins and later RD models. This example is a running, restored project with a clean title, making it particularly attractive in today's market. The engine is reported to be strong, and the bike starts and runs well, though the clutch will require some attention. Finished in a period-correct orange, it retains the lightweight feel and lively performance that made these bikes popular. For collectors or riders who enjoy hands-on refinement, this R5 offers both rideability and future potential. Number 9. 1962 BSA C15, $1,250, Pennsylvania. This 1962 BSA C15 is offered as a restoration candidate or parts bike, but it retains several important positives. The bike comes with a title, the fuel tank is clean and solid, and the engine turns over freely. While the tires will need replacement and one side cover is missing, The overall package provides a solid starting point for someone interested in classic British singles. At this price point, it presents an accessible way into vintage ownership, especially for builders who enjoy bringing lesser-seen models back to life. Number 10. 1974 Suzuki GT, $1,000, Virginia. Rounding out the list is a 1974 Suzuki GT, a classic two-stroke touring platform with known durability when properly sorted. This bike has new tires, a sonic-cleaned fuel tank, and serviced carburetors, though it is currently running on only one cylinder. With delivery available for a small fee, it is clearly positioned as a project for someone comfortable diagnosing and completing mechanical work. Given the rising interest in vintage Suzuki two-strokes, this GT represents a low-cost entry for a buyer willing to invest time rather than money. That's today's selection on Moto Market Explorer. If you enjoy discovering classic motorcycles for sale across America, subscribe for more honest listings, market insight, and real vintage machines worth watching.